How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. We got a Husky 6-gallon 4 peak horsepower stainless steel wet and dry vacuum. We got the part number right there. Lifetime warranty. Already unboxed it, so let's take a look at what it looks like. Alright, now that we got everything out, we have our paper mesh filter. We have the lock for that filter. We have two big tubes for hooking on this attachment, this larger attachment, and then you have this crevice tool right here. We got our instruction manual. We have another filter, and then we have a bag filter, and then here is our unit. So let's open that up and take a look. So we just got the latches right on the side. Typical, right? Easy to take off, easy to put on. That's the piece right there. We got the ball into there. You hear that clicking back and forth. So that's for the wet. This is going to be very easy to clean out, so that way there's no mold, there's no mildew, no stink. That's the main important part right here. You got your hose right here, very easy to snap on. Alright, that just pulls right off. So that's how you get it from the package, like that. It goes right onto there. Click, right, nice and easy. You have the hose right here. Alright, nice and easy, fits right onto those. Right on the legs, you could put these attachments right here. Put another one right there. Could put the attachments right up on top. Boom. The other small attachment right there. Alright, and then you'd keep that the toolbox or wherever you keep it. I got a link down in the description for more of these bags as well, and a link down in the description for another one of these filters, and I got the link for this to Home Depot down in the description below. Thanks guys for watching.